Here's how to fix a jam with your Conlux CV1000 series bill acceptor. Find the bill acceptor inside the door. The number of flashes indicates the issue with the bill acceptor. One flash here means the bill path is jammed. Unhook the LED housing by pressing up on the metal pin running across the bottom and pulling toward you, and remove the debris causing the jam. Push the blue button on top of the bill box toward the door to remove so you can check for jams in both the validator and the box. For more assistance, call Vending technical support at 1-800-833-4411.